Hey, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson. Today I have the pleasure of showing you this new arrival. It's a 2025 Yamaha Boats AR250. It's one of the best-selling boats from Yamaha. Let's hop aboard and show you through some of the features. Before we step aboard, you're going to notice this boat is in the mist gray color. It's a very light gray, almost a white color, one of the more popular colors for this year. With it being an AR model, it's also got the black powder-coated watersports tower. This boat is on the upgraded galvanized trailer. With that, you're going to have a swing tongue. It's got these nice ratcheting straps here at the back, and it also does have a full-size spare as well. Hopping on up here, one of the hallmark features of these Yamaha jet boats is the expansive platform you've got back here. Great place to sit out, hang out at the sandbar. You've got a radio remote down there, plenty of cup holders, table mounts, all kinds of stuff like that. Great feature on these 25-foot Yamahas is if you got storage under both of your rear loungers here, so you can put towels, dock lines, things like that, right up in there out of the way. Follow me inside the boat, and you'll see immediately as we get inside why this is one of the best-selling boats from Yamaha. It's got a ton of entertainment space in here. You've got seating for several adults. Got two captain's chairs, both port and starboard. Start up here at the driver's side. This does swivel, slide, and recline, so really easy operation. You can get it to swivel, flip it back. It's got flip-down armrests and a bolster as well. Your helm here is a great place to be. Steering wheel is on a tilt base, so you can adjust it to your liking. You've got great access to your controls here. Twin throttles for your twin 1.9-liter engines. Got an audio system control, wireless phone charger, and then a touchscreen display in front of you for your key functions. This boat's also going to have your manual keys right here, so everything's very easy to access up here at the helm. On the port side of this boat, we've got another captain's chair to match, plenty of cup holders and storage throughout. And we've also got double glove boxes here in front of the passenger, so good place to throw your phone, keys, stuff like that. On the AR250, you've also got a large compartment in here, which can be used as a head. A lot of people will use it for storage as well. You see you've also got your table storage in here as well. On the subject of storage, this boat's got a large center locker here. Great place to put tubes, skis, things like that. It's really large and deep, and a very comfortable place to throw some items. Additionally, you've got a block-off door here on your helm. Closed up nice. You've also got some storage in there as well. Coming up to the very front of the boat, we've got storage again under both of these seats right here. You see we've got our bow filler cushions in there right now, and a really nice, deep, safe place to sit up here at the very front of the boat. Another nice feature on these Yamaha jet boats is you're going to have a bow boarding ladder as standard, as well as dedicated anchor storage. This comes out really nice and is a great place to get on and off the boat when you're at the sandbar. It's been a quick overview of this AR250. If you want to check it out in person, stop by our showroom, give us a call, or check us out at MarineMax.com, and we'd be happy to help. Thanks.